Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again, and it's Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. We can get one at low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And if you want this one, all you gotta do, add it to your cart, check it out really fast, and continue your shopping. So here we go, we're about to see what's inside and who it's from. Here comes a rip. Hey. Somewhat. I almost had it. Cut. Cut. Cut here. Oh boy, we got a big one. We got another box. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, jeez. There we go. This is coming from Okaysou. Okaysou. This is going to be advanced medical grade. Whoa. Hey now. Oh, this is what's this thing called? Oh, air purifier. Really cool. Here we go. There's all the good stuff on the side. Here's on the other side, pretty much the same thing. 99.97% air pollutants. That's a good thing right there. This is what you need. Be perfect for like a small apartment, a dorm, college dorm, bedroom, your office. That's why I'm probably gonna keep this one in this office right here. So this is what it looks like. Coming straight from Amazon to your doorstep into your home. So now we're going to take it into the next part. I'm going to be opening this guy up. There we go. Almost had it. Dang it. All right. Oh, I think I got it. Dang. There we go. Oh, yeah. We got it. Maybe not. There we go. We got it. Alright, YouTubers. Here we go. Let's see what she looks like. Hey, another box. Oh, jackpot party. We got more boxes. Hold on one sec. Let me pause. Alrighty, YouTubers, this time it's in color. This is what it says, pretty much what it said on the other box. But they also got live chat. That is really cool. So there's their socials. Give them a follow. Say hello to them. But we already seen all this good stuff up except for here. Washable, detachable pre-filter. Ooh, nice. Sleep function, dimmer, fan speed, timing. Here's all the good stuff. Okay, this is a little bit different. This is all the good info. And down here, so we got the H13 as the top one. Here, pollen, dust, mold, dust mites, virus, bacteria, pet dander, smoke, VOCs, so paint. Whoa. Alright. Let's get into this thing. Definitely excited. Show you guys the magic behind this one. So, like I said, this will be a nice housewarming gift also. And birthday present, Christmas. If you don't know what to get somebody, these are always nice things to have. And it shows that you care about that person. So whoever it is, you might want to get one for yourself too. Grab a couple. So on top, you got the manual, which we're not going to need right now. There we go. That's what it looks like right out of the box. Put you guys down. Oh yeah, this is a nice little guy. Good size for a good bedroom. Let me get this tape off. 1 second. We got the power cord right here. Got the protectors, which is always a good thing. Not too many people put those on. So this is a really high quality product right here. You know how to treat it. Quality. So boom. 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 Top. We got the display up here. We got 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. I think that's like a repeat type cycle. Oh baby. Alright. So check the bottom. So we might need to, yep. That's where it's at. Here we go. There you go. One twist. Make sure you remove all the stuff off. See, that's what it looks like. The fan is right in there. We'll give a little test run. I'm going to pause you guys and then come back, see if I got any dust or anything. And I can show you the smoke, because I do smoke. You know, I know I shouldn't, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. It's a nice filter too. Really nice quality. So, here is, oh yeah, there we go. Got the bottom. Yeah, look at that. So just pop her in, I think. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Tell me where to go. Just pop it back in, I guess. Yeah. Got the lid. Oops. She's good to go. Like I said, I'll do the demo up here, then go take this downstairs to show you guys the smoke example. So I could definitely do that. Just give me a second with these twisty ties. Shouldn't be too much longer. Another 30 seconds or so. This video will be done. So you might want to grab some popcorn and relax a second. And we pause you guys for a sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got her plugged in. And now we're going to show you this thing, how it works. Ooh, nice blue to it. That's really cool. Oh wow. I can feel it. Feels good. Got it plugged in down there. Oh yeah, this feels good. Switch it. Sleep mode. 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. Off on. Yeah, this is a nice one, guys. It's quiet. It's not that loud at all. Action's down here. All the way around. Nice high quality product right here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go downstairs and do the smoke example for you guys, so let you know how it intake it and all that good stuff. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it hooked up, running down in the basement right now, down in my bathroom, my extra bathroom down here, and aka my little area. So here it is. Got it on the full one, I do believe, max. And I got the cigarette going. Let's see if this works. Might get a little smoke in here for a second. Let's see that going like crazy. Oh yeah, see it? There we go. Oops. This is too long. There we go. Give it a few seconds to take a look at the filter. And then continue for a second. You can see it kind of streaming into it. There you go. I'm gonna put you guys on pause, and then we'll see what the filter looks like. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again. We got this side going. This is where the sorry about the shakiness. I just got to put my glove on really quick and show you guys the dust, if there is any from the smoke. But it all depends on how much you smoke, and if you got 2 people living, it might show more. But I just got it. There we go. A few hours ago now, and been testing it out. Let's see. I don't see any smoke yet, but maybe it's not enough. Well, you know, once it's you can see the smoke. It's easy to clean. Yeah, buddy. Alright, YouTubers. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Hold on 1 second.